Hello guys, what's up? I'm gonna show you guys how to mesh import customizations slash weapons into Garden Warfare 2. Um, in this video I'm gonna do weapons, but like, it's pretty much the same, but I'm gonna do a separate video for weapons slash customizations, just for you guys to be aware of like what to do and stuff so you guys don't get lost. Okay, I have my mesh here, which is the tank commander's weapon. I think that's his name. I'm gonna export that by pressing the export button right on top. You click on here, export. What you will do is, if in the skeleton there's nothing there, like for me it's soldier skeleton, which is the right one, because the weapon is a soldier weapon, you know, the character. So what you're gonna do is click on these three dots, or search for the name of the character, or you can like scroll through these folders and stuff. Since I don't like scrolling through these folders, I'm just gonna search for soldier, and then I'm gonna click soldier skeleton. There you go. Okay. Version, I recommend it to be FBX 2012. Scale, I recommend it to be centimeters, and you should always check flatten hierarchy. Why? Because like, it's easier to work with. It only shows you the lots you're gonna work with, and like, not, you know, make that mess. Like, should I mess with this lot? Should I not? Then I hit export. There you go. I'm gonna export it here. I'm gonna click save. Oh, there's already one here, like there's already a mesh that I exported, but I'm gonna do it anyways. I'm gonna replace that. There we go. Now we go into Blender, hit File, Import, FBX. Then you're gonna search for the weapon. You're just gonna search tank. It's gonna pop up here. There you go. You can either click it 2 times or just hit it once and click import FBX. There you go. As you can see, it's pretty small. It's like in the center there. It's only viewable if you zoom in. For that to not happen, you can just change the scale. How do you change the scale? You click on the reference. It will probably already be selected since you just imported it in. And then you will click here on this object properties, which is like the little orange box with like things around or whatever. Click on here, then you will change the scale X, Y, and Z. What you will do is click and then set it to 1. That will automatically set it to 1000, which is what you need. Do it on all of them. Easy as that. Alright, here I have my reference or mesh, however you like to call it. And what I will do is replace this weapon with pretty much the model I want. Since I don't have a model here, I would just make something up real quick. Like something like this. Just to show you guys. Okay. Let's say, for example, this is my custom model. What you would do with your custom model when you first put it in, you will like align your model. So how do you do that? You select your mesh, and then you select this option here on top of this little like spinning thing with like 2 arrows. You'll click on move, that's the name of it, and then you will, if you want, you can hit Ctrl to have like a more perfect alignment, or just move it like this, doesn't matter. My bad. So yeah, what we will do here is now replace the lots. I'm gonna replace all of the lots with this weapon. because you know it's not really needed for you to like replace the lots with like each little thing, like different things. You can replace all of them with the same thing. So what you will do is go inside reference, that you can open it with this little arrow here. Then you will see that there's lot 0 here. That's the first slot that you will replace. You click on it 2 times, you can see it selected its name. You will Ctrl C that, then you will click like anywhere, then you will right click it, delete. What you will do is click on the custom mesh you have 2 times, and then it selects its name, you see that? Then you Ctrl V. So what you did is you took a name from another mesh and pasted it into yours. Now let's go to the interesting part, which is weight painting this. What you will do is, first of all, you will parent. So you will click your mesh, you will hold shift, click the armature, and you can like stop holding shift when you selected it. Then you right click, parent, armature deform. There you go, it's here. Now what you will do is weight paint it, and then you will replace all of these slots with this weight painted version. What you will do is click on the armature or reference, whatever you want to call it, hold shift and click your custom mesh. You can either click it through like this list or through the visualization, you know, the view. So yeah, let's do that. You will hit object mode up here and then weight paint. What you can do here is hide all of the other lots one by one, so you can only see yours. What you will try to find here is the root of the weapon. What is the root? The root is like the position the weapon will be on like the character's hand. It's pretty much like a reference. There you go, I already found it. How do you select these, you may ask? You hold Ctrl and then you click on the bones till you see the name up here in user perspective, till you see the name weapon root. See that here it says wep aux 04. That's not what you want to go for. You will hold Ctrl and click like something here in the middle. It may be here in the middle for like most of the weapons, and it will say wep underline root there. That's what you want to go for. Then you will click this tool called gradient. Gradient is literally like the best tool ever to weight paint weapons, because it weight paints it all. It's really great. What you will do is just go to the tip, to the tail, quotes. You can like release it, do it a bunch of times. It's like painting it. Just like click, drag, and then stop holding. Click, hold, and then stop holding. Click, hold to the other side, and then stop holding. There we go. Already weight painted. When it's all red, it's because you've already weight painted it a bunch. So it should be ready. So what you will do here, if you want, you can unhide all of these slots by clicking the ice. That's what I will do. Now what you will do is you will click your custom mesh, and you will in your keyboard you will do Ctrl C, Ctrl V. As you can see, if you go down there, or if you hide like the reference for the arrow, it made a new reference and lot. What you will do is you will take this reference here, reference 001, and delete it. See that I have like this extra lot here? That's what you will need to replace all of the other ones. Let's count how many lots we have, because we already replaced the first one. Now let's see the others. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11, so we will duplicate it 11 times. Ctrl C, and then we will Ctrl V it 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We did it 11 times. Now we will do, we will go to back to the origins and we will rename each lot with the with these. Like we will take the names from these lots and put in our lots, our custom mesh in the case. We will click on it 2 times, Control C, delete. Then we will go down there, select one of our lots, click on it 2 times, Control V, enter. Then it may go down here. Then what you will do is hold shift, click on the armature, right click, parent, armature deform. You see, it is here. Now what you will do the same thing for all of them. Copy the name of the original one, Control C, delete, Control V, parent, Control V, yeah. Then you select the mesh, you select the mesh, and then you hold shift, click the armature, then right click, parent, armature deform. See, it's here. We already have 3 lots. Now we will replace the other ones. Delete. I'm gonna do it the quick way because I think you guys already got it. If you didn't, go back to some minutes like ago, or ask me in the comment section. That's probably gonna be available. Let's see. Already replaced that. Go for this one. Oops, copy the name here. Hold shift, click, right click, on parent, armature deform. There we go. We already have all of our lots here. Not hard at all. Really easy to understand. Now that we've done that, we will select all of the lots. We select the first one, then we hold shift, select the last one. Then we hit object mode and go to edit mode. You see that all of them are here for like little polygons and stuff. We will have to select that all. Click mesh, not mesh, select, and all. Or you can just do it by clicking A in your keyboard. Easy as that. Now you will hit Control T. T as triangle. And you see something popped up here. Triangulate faces. That's what you need. You can hide it there and go back to object mode. So what will this do? This will pretty much like get the requirements for it to be imported into engines. Like Unity or whatever, like Frosty Editor, it needs that like any other like engine. You will have to triangulate to import into it, or the engine just triangulates by itself, but in Frosty Editor's case you will have to do it by hand like I did there. Don't forget to do that, because if the model has a lot of polygons, you will have to hit Ctrl T for it to triangulate. Okay? That's pretty much it. We hit File, Export, FBX. Then what we will do here is go into whatever like folder we want it to like export on. Then you set the scale and transform to 0.01. Then you will hit enter. Then you go in geometry and hit tangent space. That will be really needed for it to import it. Then you will give it any name, like cube gun, for example. Cool. Then you export FBX. Ready to go. You will hit import, and then you go here, search for cube gun FBX, open. Then you will select the skeleton. Don't forget about that. Soldier, because this is a soldier's weapon. Playable soldier. There we go. See, it's here. Now, if you want the weapon to have like textures and etc., you go for textures, which I think it's in this folder. Yep. Then you can go for the textures here. It's probably tank, but this video is not about textures. This video is about mesh importing, and that's pretty much it. If you wanna like the video, do it. That's all. Hope to see you again in the props tutorial, like the customization, props, etc., ads, blah blah blah. Thanks for watching. See ya.